Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our last video, we learned how to install SSIS in Visual Studio 2022. Today we shall take a step further and learn how to create an SSIS package and use it effectively. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Before we dive in, let's quickly discuss what an SSIS package is. SSIS or SQL Server Integration Services is a powerful tool for data integration and workflow automation. An SSIS package is a collection of control flow and data flow tasks that help us automate ELT processes. I mean extract, transform and load. Alright, let's get started. Open Visual Studio 2022. If you have installed SSIS correctly, you will see the Integration Services project template. Next, give some name to your project. For example, like here, my SSIS package. Click on create. Okay, our SSIS project has been created. I already has created this project in my previous video, so I will give its link in the description as well. Go to Solution Explorer and we see package.dtsx. It is an empty SSIS package. This is a file where all your ATL logic reside. Okay, we have this interface, a control flow pane where you define your workflow task. The data flow pane where you handle data movements and transformation. The SSIS toolbox which contain tasks you can drag and drop into your package. We drop a data flow task from the SSIS toolbox to control flow pane. Double click on task to switch to data flow tab. In data flow pane, you will define how data is moved and transformed. Let's configure a simple example where we load data from a CSV file into a SQL Server table. Let's drag and drop the flat file source component from the toolbox. Double click on it to configure. It says create a new flat file connection manager by clicking new. So click on new, browse for your CSV file. Configure columns. Okay, we have added our source component. So next we add a destination component. Go to the destination, drag and drop DB destination. Rename this OLEDB destination. Like our target table is employees. So I name it employees. I connect it with the employee table. I double click on DB connection destination. It says select the connection manager from the list of connection managers. So currently we don't have any connection manager. It will be a connection with our database. So let's create a connection manager. Let's get the name of our server. And our database is product DB. So we select our database here. Let's check the connection. Okay, connection is fine. Our data access mode is table or view. And our target table is employees. So we select target table. We check the mapping from here. The mapping seems to be fine. So click on OK. Now we have configured a basic ETL process. It's time to run the package and see how it works. Before we run the package, so let's first check the employee table. Okay, our employees table is empty. So let's run the SSIS package. Okay, I click on start to execute the package. Okay, our SSIS package has been executed successfully. Let's verify if our data from CSV file is imported in our table. Here we go. And data has been imported in our target table. This SSIS package data from our source CSV file connected to the database and loaded into SQL Server database table. Let's suppose if we are frequently populating our target table and every time we populate data from CSV into target table, we want to make target table empty so that data is not duplicated. So let's go to control flow tab. So we take execute SQL task to make our table empty. We will write truncate command in execute SQL task. Okay, do we click on it? So we see we already have a connection. So we select the connection and then we have SQL source type direct input and SQL statement. We write the query to make the table empty. For example, we write command truncate table employees. Let's verify this command. our table is empty. Click on OK. OK. And connect it with the data flow. You save it. Okay, run this SSIS package again. Okay, it has been executed successfully. So let's verify in database again. Yeah, you can see 1000 rows. So let's rerun again and let's verify again. Yeah, we see still 1000 rows. It means data is not duplicated because truncate command already making table empty before importing data from CSV into target table employees. Creating the package is just the first step. Let's talk about deploying and using it in the real world. To deploy your SSIS package, right click on project and select deploy. For example, I click on it. I click on next. SSIS in SQL Server, yes, click on next. We need to give the name of the server. So we copy server name from here and connect it. Now it's asking for a path. It says an integration service catalog was not found on this server. So let's create an integration services catalog to deploy this package. So there is integration services catalog folder. Right click on it and create catalog. Click on enable CLR integration. It's asking for some password. You can give any password. In production environment, you need to give a secure password. Here I'm just using 123. Click on OK. Okay. Okay, we have got our catalog. So let's get back to the package. We browse it. So there is our catalog. Create a new folder. I name it like test folder. Click OK. Click next and click on deploy. We got this error. Right click on the project and go to properties. Configure properties. Here target version is SQL Server 2022. While our current SQL Server version is 2019. So let's select 2019. There is another option which can change the compatibility level of our SSIS DB. So execute it and then try again. Click on that. Click on deploy. Okay, this time it has deployed our project. So let's close it. And let's verify here. Click on refresh and see, yeah, our project has been deployed successfully. Once our package is deployed, we can schedule the package using SQL Server agent or execute it directly from SQL Server Management Studio. So let's run it directly from SQL Server Management Studio to test it. Right click on it, click on execute, click OK, click on no, and just let's test the data. The data has been loaded in target table from CSV file. And that's it. You have successfully created, configured and executed an SSIS package in Visual Studio 2022. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.